Introducing the Byrna Compact Launcher, the world's smallest, less lethal defense pistol with formidable stopping power. Powered by 8-gram CO2 cartridges and 61 caliber projectiles, it's engineered to perform and designed for everyday carry. It's the length of a smartphone, 1 inch in width, and under a pound in weight. It's legal in all 50 states, requires no background checks, and ships directly to your door. And it's proudly American and hand-assembled in Fort Wayne, Indiana. It's engineered to perform, giving you confidence in the palm of your hand. Byrna's patented pull-pierce technology means the CO2 cartridge is only punctured when you pull the trigger. Firing projectiles at 400 feet per second, that's 273 miles per hour, and with an effective range of 60 feet, you can fire kinetic, tear gas plus pepper gas, or pepper projectiles, delivering stopping power that can incapacitate threats for up to 30 minutes. With 41.9 joules of force per square inch, it can dent metal, break auto glass, and stop danger before it reaches you. The compact launcher fits comfortably on body, so that personal security is always within reach. Byrna Compact Launcher. Peace of mind wherever life takes you.